Hello guys. Welcome to this video scaling from 100,000 naira to 1 million naira in commission. Now, this can mean anything. It can mean scaling from 10,000 to 100,000, or it can mean scaling from 5,000 to 50k. It can also mean scaling from 1 million to 10 million, depending on where you are. So, let's get straight into business as we explore how to actually scale. Why scaling matters? Number one, it proves concept. 100k validates your idea. You understand? So build it also builds wealth. Scaling multiplies your income. Multiplies your earning. Number three, scaling also authorizes bigger reach. Same system but expanded audience. How to scale? Number one, you need to optimize your funnel. You need to tweak your landing pages, enhance user experiences, improve your email copies, maybe boost engagement rates. And you also need to increase conversions. How do you increase conversions? By optimizing before scaling any efforts. That is one way to scale. Number two, step two, reinvest profits. You need to run ads, increase your ad budgets, utilize earned commission for advertising, upgrade your tools, invest in better email hosting services, invest in better email system hosting services. Number three, outsource. You cannot do everything alone, so you need to dedicate content and also dedicate your some of your tasks. Number three, multiply traffic sources. Maybe you're using YouTube before, you can now multiply your sources to TikTok, Facebook groups. YouTube is for very expanded videos. You can expand your video reach to, if you're not there, you can also expand your video reach there. You can also expand your long form video to TikTok, spread it around TikTok and Facebook groups, WhatsApp communities, Instagrams and all. Now, number four, community power. You need to build community. I've always been saying it. Build a loyal fan base, a Telegram group or a WhatsApp engagement communities. Increase your lifetime value. Now, repeat offers for long term value. You need to repeat your offers for long term value. What does this mean? You need to repeat your offers for, like, sometimes you just need to keep on consistently, just keep, nurturing, keep on selling, keep on selling, keep on selling, tweaking your offers. That is what it means. Retweak it. Now, offer upgrades, mentorship and premium service. You understand? Offer mentorship and premium services. Now, when I mean increase your lifetime value, your long term value, you can still sell to the people you've sold before. Some people just want to buy from you again. So don't feel like you're not doing them good by selling to them. You're doing them good because they want to buy from, because you've proven you've been valuable before and they want to buy again from you. Again, upgrade, like offer upgrades, mentorship, premium services, especially the one that you can deliver. Don't go and offer something you cannot deliver. Now, you can also use case studies, like case studies, affiliate X journey. You know, you can also use case studies. This is just a case study. You can start with organic. Your organic can help you make 100k. You understand? With organic method, you now spend 70k. You reinvest like 30k into ads. You now hit like 500k through ads. You hit like 500k through paid ads. Then when you've made that like 500k through paid ads, then you scale your community. Like you leverage your community for growth. Then you like nurture them, build them heavily. One of the things that build community is just continuous value. More webinars, more different things you're doing. So to increase your community quality. Then with that, if you already hit Facebook 500k through paid ads, with the community you're going to hit a bigger number, and with that, 1 million naira is already achieved because you've just reached your target and probably beyond. But here's the strategy here. The strategy is when you profit, reinvest, then repeat, you just test, you scale, you optimize. All this matters. Understand? Profit, repeat, scale, reinvest, test, optimize. All this, everything matters. Everything here matters. But for the first plan is to profit, then just reinvest back. When you reinvest back, do the same thing that gave you profit before, then test again, test reinvesting again, then scale. Just mix everything together. But the most important thing out of everything here is just to profit and reinvest. Now, the key takeaway from this video is just um for your scaling success is number one, consistency. Consistency drives steady results. Steady efforts drive your results. Reinvest. Reinvestment fuels growth with profits. Fuel growth with profits. Reinvestment, it fuels your growth with profits. Then community. All these three things is going to be what is going to help you to scale high. Now, I'm not speaking rocket science here. All these things are better done when said. When they are better done than said. So, but I wish you all the best in your affiliate marketing journey. It's all about systems. It's not basically about work, work, work. That's why the name of this course is 7 Farms, 7-figure affiliate marketing systems, not blueprint, not anything but systems, because it's systems that brings money for you. Your path to 1 million naira commission is here already. Start applying these strategies, and I wish you all the best.